Amendment 20, Section 1. The terms of the President and the Vice President end at noon on January 20th, and the terms of the Senators and Representatives end at noon on January 3rd of the year such terms ordinarily end. The terms of their successors begin at the time these terms end. This shortened the time between the election and the inauguration of the President by nearly 2 months. Section 2. Congress must meet at least once a year. The first day of meeting begins on noon on January 3rd. Congress may set a new date for the first day of session if it chooses to do so. This changes Article 1, Section 4 in part. It prevents defeated congressmen from remaining in office for over a year before the newly elected ones are seated. Congressmen are elected in even-numbered years and attend their first session in odd-numbered years. Under the old system, a congressman was elected in November in one year but did not take his seat until December of the next. Section 3. If at the time fixed for the beginning of the term of president, the president-elect has died, the vice president becomes president. If a president has not been elected, or if the president-elect, for some reason, cannot qualify for the office by the time the term begins, the vice president-elect acts as president until such time as a qualified president can be elected. If neither the president-elect nor the vice president can qualify for their offices, Congress may, by law, decide who shall act as president or the manner in which an acting president shall be selected. The acting president shall serve until a qualified president or vice president is elected. None of these things has ever happened. Section 4. If no presidential candidate has a majority of electoral votes and the House of Representatives must elect a president, Congress may decide by law what is to be done if one or more of the candidates among the three with the most electoral votes should die before the House has elected a president. Congress may, by law, make the same decision in the case of the death of either or both vice president candidates when the Senate must elect a vice president. Congress has never taken any action on this. Section 5. Section 1 and 2 took effect on the October 15th following the ratification of this amendment. Section 6. The state's legislators were given 7 years to ratify this amendment. After that time, it could not be adopted.